Student, today we will continue the chapter 6, and the today's topic is order list, which is discussed in today's class. Okay, so take out page number 85. Firstly, we have to understand what is order list. Okay, the order list consists of a list of items that needs to be placed in a specific order or needs to be numbered. Okay, just like 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, these all are called order list. Okay, the ordered can be of any form like numerical numerals, letters, and Roman numerals. The OL, that means this is the another attribute of OL is the form of order list which we have to write in our HTML document. Okay. Similarly we can write HTML for hypertext markup language. We use OL for order, O for order, and L for list. Okay, under angle bracket tag. The tag defines an order list of the item. It is container tag, means it is started by OL and ends with /OL tag. The common attributes are listed below. The common attributes of OL is given here. And the syntax of OL is OL starts equal to number and type equal to A/AI1, etc., which in the form what you want to give the number, like 1 2 3 ABC, in Roman number 1 2 3, etc. Okay, and then close the OL. Okay, and this is the correct form to write a order list in your HTML document. So here you can see the image / angle bracket HTML angle bracket, then you have to feed the body, and H3 is the height. Okay, order list here will become the heading of your page. Okay, and here you can see that H3 means height of the text will closed here. That means H is height is a container tag. And in your previous chapter I will explain the topic container tag and empty tag. What is container and empty? Okay, so don't confused in it. Okay, and here after it you have to start the OL tag, that means order list tag. Under it you can list it or write it in LI. LI means list item. Okay, LI is the meaning of list item. You can write the LI under angle bracket, then write your first contents of item, and then you can close the LI. Then second you can start the under angle bracket, write LI, then your name of the second item, and then close the LI. Okay, then third, then fourth, you can continue how many items or how many contents are available in your document. Okay, then last you have to close the OL, that means order list option. Okay, then body, firstly you have to close the OL, then body, then HTML, that means your document will be prepared. Okay, now when you follow this format or write this format in your HTML document, your web page will look like this type. Okay, LI will becomes from changed in 1 2 3, and here you can see that order list is bold because here H3 is selected for order list. That is why order list is looked like a little bold as compared to the other word in this examples. Okay, so here are some examples given in your book. You can do it in your home if you have a laptop or computer, or if you have don't if you did not have this type of accessories, then don't worry. When the school will reopen, I will revise the chapter again, and keep in your mind that we will do this practical in your lab. Okay, now unordered list. Similarly, unordered list will also be written in your HTML document, okay, where the order of the item in a list does not matter. Okay, the UL is container tag, and that defines the unordered list. Like unordered list, each list of a item starts with li. Similarly, but it can not use the number or ABCD. It can use this type of triangle or circle or the blank circle shapes. Okay, and this is the syntax or the format to writing an unordered list. Okay, so here you can see that the number is not given here because it is not a order list, it is an unordered list. That is why the number is not appear here. Okay students, so here you can just read the chapter again, and we will continue the definition list in our next class.